myself Nidija of grade 8.
So we are from school called Avishkar and our trainer name is Sumati ma'am. To prevent the bank thefts and also the bank robberies, we came up with a project called Smart Door Lock System.
Components are Arduino Uno, servo motor, LCD display, 4x4 keypad, and jumper wires, and etc.
The connections are made as per the circuit diagram. The process is simple. First, we need to enter the password. If the password is correct, then the door opens. If the password is wrong, the door remains closed. And again, we need to enter the password.
So if we look into the project functionally, if I type the wrong random password which is wrong, the door remains closed. Like so, the display shows wrong password. If I type the correct password, the door is opened and the door again will close in a few seconds as we designed in the code, and it will again close the door.
This method is used in banks, houses, lockers, and etc.
By this, we can conclude that these kind of systems are very are made for the safety, and also it is very helpful in the lockers and also the bank robberies. Thank you.
Thank you.